Hi, I'm Kevin and I work at Exar Corporation. Over the next few minutes I'll be showing you how you can easily introduce the benefits of deduplication, compression, and thin provisioning to Microsoft DPM with BitWackr for Windows. Microsoft System Center Data Protection Manager, or DPM, does a great job at providing data protection for Windows application servers, workstations, and laptops. DPM is designed to use storage pools to protect assigned protection groups, but oftentimes, redundant operating system files, application, and user data are written to a protection group over and over again, consuming unnecessarily large amounts of storage capacity. With the introduction of BitWackr for Windows, DPM's standard storage pool is enhanced, making it more manageable and energy efficient by reducing the amount of storage capacity needed. But before we jump into how easy it is to enable DPM with deduplication and compression, let me show you the innovations behind how BitWackr works. Built using our patent-pending virtual block device technology, BitWackr transforms disk storage into capacity-optimized device without regard to whether the disk is local, direct, iSCSI, or fiber channel SAN attached to the DPM server. By using our virtual block device technology, BitWackr gives Windows the flexibility to lay down a file system, like NTFS, or use the deduplicating, compressing, and thinly provisioned block device as a raw volume, as required by DPM. This design ensures that every block of data written to the BitWackr volume is deduplicated and compressed in line at high speed, transparent to Microsoft DPM. BitWackr for Windows is easy to install via the wizard-driven setup program and can be configured and running within minutes. Once installed, you will see a BitWackr for Windows icon in your Windows Server system tray. Simply right-click on the BitWackr icon and choose Open. Since this is the first time using BitWackr, you will be taken directly to the Add Volume screen. When creating a BitWackr volume, it is important to assign a drive that delivers fast, random I/O performance to the hash table, like an SSD. BitWackr's logical block address, as well as the main data store, which is where your DPM data will reside, should both be RAID protected. This configuration provides a good balance of performance and capacity, while still providing a high level of data protection. Since Data Protection Manager requires a raw device for its disk targets, be sure not to assign a drive letter to the BitWackr volume. And that's it. You can now go to Windows Disk Management Utility to initiate the capacity optimized drive, making it available for DPM to use. Under the DPM Management screen, select the Disk tab and choose Add to assign a BitWackr volume to the Data Protection Manager. DPM is now ready to read and write data as usual. Only behind the scenes, BitWackr is using your storage capacity more effectively while making sure that your data's integrity remains uncompromised. As soon as you begin writing data to the BitWackr volume, you'll see that your storage capacity needs are being reduced. And over time, as more and more data is written, you can watch those savings grow. The amount of storage capacity you will save will vary depending on the applications and types of data that are being protected by DPM. For example, Exar's IT department uses DPM to protect their Exchange and SharePoint servers and data. We also use DPM to protect our Hyper-V environments. Exar's IT department enabled their DPM server with BitWackr for Windows and has seen savings of over 70% in storage within just a few months. Thank you for sharing the last few minutes with me and for the opportunity to describe the benefits of using BitWackr in a Microsoft DPM environment. For more information regarding BitWackr for Windows available to OEMs, system integrators, and value-add resellers, please be sure to check out bitwackr.com where you can request an evaluation toolkit.